Look at this ramp. How many cars can the giant monster truck crush? Let's build. Let's finish our ramp. I'm gonna screw this last piece in. And I'll put this right here. We're gonna tighten that. And I'm gonna tighten this one. There. Look at this awesome ramp. Is this gonna be great or what? Now, we just need some cars. Let's make some out of tin foil. Watch me make this car. I'm gonna press, squish it down, peel it out, and here we go. One car. Now I'll make another one. I'm gonna press it down and squish it. I'm making a copy of this awesome fire truck. I'm gonna peel it out, and look right there. Now we have 2 cars. Let's get a monster truck so we can squish them. Are you ready? Here we go. Down the ramp, up the platform, down the other platform, into the safety zone, and here we go. Oh, squish the first car. Oh, squish the second car, and into the finish line. That was awesome. Let's see if we can do 3 cars. Here we go. Let's press it down, squish it, and pull it out. And press it down, and squish it, and pull it out. And press it down, and squish it, and pull it out. There we go. Now we have 3 cars. Are you ready? Here we go. Down the ramp, up onto the platform, down off the platform into the safety zone, crushing the first car, crushing the second car. Here's a big one. Oh, crushing the third and into the finish line. That was awesome. Let's see if we can do 2 monster trucks at the same time. Are you ready? We're gonna set up our cars. And here's our 2 monster trucks. Let's get them up here. They're gonna go down the ramp, up onto the platform, down off the platform, and here they go. Wow.
Wow.
Right into the finish line. That was great, but I think we need a big monster truck. Are you guys ready? Let's get a big monster truck out. Here's our giant monster truck. Ready? Down the ramp, up onto the platform, off the platform into the safety zone. Oh, wow. Look at it crushing the cars. Oh, and through the finish line. That was great. Now, our biggest run yet. We have 8 cars. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Down the ramp, up over there, off of the platform, ready for the big crash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. Through the finish line. They made it. We did it. The monster truck crushed all the cars. Bye-bye.
Construction with Kyle. Hey!